Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Page of Swords. Ace of Swords. Okay. It seems like Libra, you have done your part, you have done your homework, and now you are absolutely ready to take action towards something. Okay. And if I talk about from a relationship perspective, it seems like you are eager to take some action, you are completely ready. Okay, now my sword is ready, I am completely ready. So now whatever action I want to take for this person, for this relationship, I will take. Okay, so you have done your homework, you have done your part. Now you are just waiting for the right time to hit the sword. On the other hand, we have Ace of Swords. This is your partner's current energy, Libra. It seems like your person wants to start something new. Okay, your person is eager to start something new, or perhaps they want to take a new action, or some new action towards you. All right, so you can expect any kind of a new information from your person, Libra. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Oh god, I got 3 cards. I'm not going to take it. Clinging to past. Okay, who is clinging to past? It seems like somewhere, somehow, both of you are clinging to your own respective parts. Okay, it seems like you are, even though you are ready to take action, even though your person is also ready to take actions, but yes, somewhere somehow you feel drawn towards your past. Somewhere somehow you feel that your past is pulling you back. Okay, and you won't be able to move ahead in life, you won't be able to take a new action or further actions in life. Okay, so even though you are not letting them know what you are up to, but yes, you people think about your past a lot. Now let's see, Libra, what your person, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you in present time, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Receptivity. They see you as somebody who has surrendered in front of divine. Okay, or perhaps you are being more receptive towards something. Okay, some people, some emotions, some energy, something, certain things. You were somebody in past that you always, you used to judge people, you used to be very close to people, as in you are some, you used to be someone who never wants to open up with people, but now you are being very receptive. Okay, so you open and you welcome people in your life with open arms. And apart from that, I can also see that your person sees you as somebody that you are someone who, now you are not controlling your situations, now you are not controlling the things in your life, and rather than resisting on certain things and something, you have started accepting the things. All right, the current action from your partner is the innocence. It seems like your person is very much occupied, with somebody else. Not as in that they are dating, or dating somebody else and all that. No, nothing like that. But they are surrounded by people who are not good for them. There must be some friends or some family members who wanted to pull them back, because since they are very innocent, they do not know the true intentions of those who are around them. So they are trusting on them, rather than trusting on you. So this is the reason they are not taking any action towards you. And if I talk about in future totality, It seems like they won't take action towards you in future as well, until and unless you start taking action or you start initiating the actions from your side. So they wanted you to come forward, or they'll ask you to come forward and express your emotions and express your feelings. Only then they'll take some action towards you. As you can see here, this person will ask you to commit towards them first, only then they will commit to you. Okay, they will ask you to take a solid action towards them first, only then they will commit to you. Okay, so Libra, we have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. We have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading, and we have fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also in this reading. Okay, so that was your reading, Libra. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.